Feel like a pro, even when something goes wrong. With the BMW M Performance towing tape, available in 2 sizes. It's an alternative to your standard towing eye and brings some racetrack feeling into your driving experience when attached to any BMW. Here's how to install it. Remove the cover of the towing eye opening from the front or rear bumper of your BMW. Screw the towing tape shaft into the thread for the towing eye behind the bumper and make sure it sits tight. Your BMW service partner can prepare the towing eye cover with a slit. This way you can thread the towing tape through the towing eye cover and clip it back on. Fold it up, and with a rubber band around it, you can keep the towing tape installed even when you're driving. Or use the installed towing tape without the towing eye cover when you need to tow your BMW. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.